Hi, welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a brand new Audi TT 2.0 TFSI 45 Black Edition S Tronic, which we now have in stock. As this is a brand new vehicle, it does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. And beginning at the front of the vehicle, we do have a daytime running LED headlights. Make our way around to the side, you will notice the gorgeous 10-spoke Y-style 20-inch alloy wheels with the glossy black diamond cut. This vehicle does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line badges on the front wings. Also comes with a black styling pack, which includes a black mirror housing and also the black privacy glass in the back of the car. As we enter the car, you will notice the gorgeous half leather, half Alcantara seating. So this vehicle is petrol, it is automatic, it's done around 50 miles on the clock, and it comes in a stunning Ibis White, which contrasts really well with the black parts on the vehicle, which includes the black TT badge, the black Audi badge, of course a black spoiler, which I'll show you in just a second. Into the boot is pretty spacious, plenty of room for your golf clubs, your shopping, or a couple of suitcases if you're planning to go away. And the back seats do fold down, giving you that extra space if needed. On the side of the vehicle, we do have the aluminium style petrol lid with the TT brand on there as well. So the black spoiler really does finish this car off nicely. As I say, it really does contrast nicely with the body colour of the vehicle. Back to the interior, we have got the gorgeous matte brush aluminium inlays with the black cloth headlining. The front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. This vehicle does come with rear parking sensors and also the S-Line sports suspension, which has been lowered by 10mm, giving you that closer to the road feeling. It also comes with central locking. Both windows are electric, so are the mirrors too. Here we have the multifunctional steering wheel with the S-Line logo at the bottom. Using the buttons on your steering wheel, you can personalise your cockpit display. So whether it's information about your vehicle you need to have a look at, you can flick over to your media. There is a DAB digital radio on board, meaning there's plenty of choice of things to listen to whilst you're on your journey. You can also connect your mobile phone to the screen as well. Over to the right of the steering wheel, we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And over to the left, we do have the paddle for the cruise control. Moving to the center console now, these buttons do control what you see on your cockpit display as well. So you can choose whether you want to use these or alternatively use the buttons on the steering wheel. Just come with an electric parking brake. And then some storage space in here, which includes a 12-volt plug socket there as well. This car is automatic. We do have the main volume control in the car. This car is also keyless, so as long as you got your car keys with you, press this button and the car engine will fire up. Just in here we have a couple of USB ports plus an aux slot there as well. And of course we can close this off. Just above, we do have our air conditioning system. Dead easy to use, turn on, set your temperature and away you go. If you would like any more information about this brand new Audi TT 2.0 TFSI 45 Black Edition, which comes with 3 years warranty and also 3 years of roadside assistance, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417.